Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a new Salesforce user. Whether you're onboarding a new team member or simply adding a temporary user, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do this. And when you're done learning how to create users in Salesforce, we've got another video at the end that will show you how to increase your overall Salesforce efficiency while reducing your Salesforce license costs. It introduces a new rebate program that allows you to use some of the money from your Salesforce license to invest in training and consulting. So please be sure to check that out after this, and let's dive in. First, from anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen and select Setup. This brings you to the back end where you can manage user access, security, as well as system settings. Next, in the quick find box on the left, type in Users. Then click on the Users option under the Users section. Once you're on the Users page, click the New User button at the top. This opens a form to create a new user record. Now fill in the basic user details like first name, last name, email, the username. The username needs to be unique, by the way, across all Salesforce orgs. The alias as well as the role. Now the role is optional, but it's helpful for visibility and reporting. The user license determines what features the user can access, so you want to select that. And then the profile is where you define the user's permissions. After that, you want to scroll down to set the locale and the time zone preferences. And finally, make sure you choose the language, locale, time zone, and email encoding. These settings help Salesforce display the data correctly for the user. After that, make sure the active checkbox is checked. This will enable the user to log in once their password is set. Now, if you want Salesforce to automatically send them a password setup email, keep the Generate New Password and Notify User Immediately checkbox checked. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. The new user has now been created. They will receive a welcome email with a link to set their password and log in. Now, let's confirm that your user was created. So go back to Users, to that list. You'll see their name and status listed. If needed, you can click into the user record to assign additional permissions or deactivate them or reset their password for later. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Salesforce org. Creating users manually is quick and easy and perfect for small teams and sort of the one-off hires. But for larger teams, Salesforce also supports mass user creation through tools like Data Loader or Workbench. We cover that in another video in our admin playlist. Now today we've just scratched the surface, but on the screen and in the description I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a 5-minute video that will walk you through 3 strategies to improve results and reduce Salesforce costs. That includes the rebate program that I talked about, where you can earn dollars on your Salesforce licenses that you can use for training and consulting. So please check out that How to Maximize Salesforce video. And please just spend a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.